Let's leave it out like this. Guys, don't play with my food. I'll be back.
Yeah, you give me my 50
I'll play with it. I'll play with your burger. Yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah, good.
You feel good?
White rice.
Good. Yes. Yes. Here's my tent. My clothes drying up. My awesome bike that got me through the mountains.
Where you going?
The tarp. I mean the hammock. My clothes drying from the swim earlier. Jump! Let's jump in! Hey! Oh!
I love camping. Come on, this way. 1, 2, 3.
My brother's burgers. Nobody can touch it. What are you eating, Sipa?
Bò Sam chục. It's really good.
Yeah? In English, they call it rice porridge, right?
Porridge?
What rice?
Oh, yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah. Let me try it too.
Lâu quá. Right. It's good.
Nice, that's good. Look at that fire. I have no idea what. Oh, that's fish. The haunted lantern. What do you? How's that burger, man?
It is superbly delicious, just the way I had envisioned.
Bring that burger a little closer. Oh, whoa.
Oh my god, it's so...
It's burnt.
Why? And what happened?
Yes, evidence. We need evidence for everything.
Okay, I'm sorry for doing that, honey.
Do it up.
Oh, I need to read the instructions.
Read that instruction.
Oh my god, you know how long you've been having that? 3 years.
Dang, pun back your hơi. What are you guys doing over here? Sweet. Uh-oh. Think you can move away and hide? Oh!
Oh sh! Oh shit, the whole thing on one?
Yeah, it's like that.
Oh, it's always like that.
You try to beat it. Overcome it.
What's she doing up there?
That was loud. It's a firework. Oh shit.
What are you doing? Didn't you just do this yesterday?
It was not dangerous right now.
Why don't you lower the fuel?
It's dirty though.
My hand is dirty too. What's that hand is
My hand is dirty. It's not so White Castle burger anymore.
What have you done? Ooh.
Oh, genius.
Mind blown, man.
I was gonna do that anyway, Sipo.
I don't don't mind it together.
เบอร์เกอร์มาลูกบานตั้ง
Double
There's
cheese.
one bacon between it.
What do you mean bacon did? What a fancy burger
that looked
in
nasty.
wood.
That looked like non-eatable.
Why is there like 5 spots here like that?
Really fancy.
Oh. Alright, let's revisit this lantern. Careful, brother. Oh! Oh, you got it.
Oh, lighting.
It's okay.
Dang, that's not gonna work.
It works.
No, you need the whole thing so it's like a giant bubble. See, this one is burnt.
Yeah, that happened to me before too, a few years ago. Back in the days.
Sucks.
But you're good, man. Cheers to that.
I'm a busy over there.
What you doing?
Let me check.
Can't get that. This family.
No, you made this for Foxwoods.
Foxwoods?
We'll have s'mores afterwards. Everybody loves s'mores, even the moose.